Alright guys, we're going to dip some scope ring mounts. I already dipped these once, but completely screwed them up. So here they are. I'm going to dip them all at once. Paper towels underneath the hole. I did not do that first, and I just stacked them on top of some tape, trying to dip them, and one side on each side blew out, which according, that should happen. I'm stupid, that's my fault. So stuffed some paper towels and I repainted them, and we're gonna try and dip them again and see if they screw up. So here we go. I'm gonna glove up. Some Avicii playing in the background, or Skrillex now, who cares? This side down first, push in, roll down at the bottom. Let's see if I can show you guys that. See, paper towel completely saved my life on all sides now. By the way, this is Backlands West. I was matching this to a customer's gun. Sorry if you guys can't hear me because of the music, so sorry about that. I'm gonna do some risers real quick in that same Backlands West. See how this goes.